My name is Vidyalata. I have completed Rigveda Samhita and now I am learning Rigveda Bhashyam at Sri Vedabharati Peetha Veda Vidyalayam, Basar. I would like to say two lines about Vedas. The Vedas are regarded as divine in origin. They are referred to as Apaurushaya. They are not produced by a couple of individuals. Sri Vedavyasa was one of the greatest sage in India. He categorized all the mantras and compiled them in 4 Vedas. They are Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. Once upon a time, the content of Vedas are not available to everyone. Only Brahmins had knowledge of Vedas. But now with the blessings and effort of Pujya Swamiji, even though we are girls, we are learning Vedas. The main aim of Sri Vedabharati Peetham is to provide the knowledge of Vedas to each and every human being, so they would get a clear vision and know the actual purpose of their life. So we have to treat Vedas as a treasury of our India. It is our responsibility to protect our Vedas. Now I would like to chant a Ghana from Rigveda. Om Agnif Purvebhirrishibhiridyo Nutanairuta Sadevang Eha Vakshati. Om Agnif Purvebhiragniraknif Purvebhirrishibhirrishibhip Purvebhiragniraknif Purvebhirrishibhi Purvebhirrishibhirrishibhip Purvebhirrishibhiridya idya rishibhip Purvebhirrishibhiridya Rishibhiridya idya rishibhiridyo nutanairidya rishibhiridyo nutanaihi rishibhiridrishibhihi idyo nutanairidya idya nutanairuta nutanairidya idyo nutanairuta nutanairuta udetyuta Sadevan Devan Sasadevang Eheha Devang Sasadevang Eha Devang Eheha Devan Devang Eha Vakshati Ha Devan Devang Eha Vakshati Heha Vakshati Ti Vakshati. Jai Shri Vedam. Don't forget to subscribe SVBP channel. Jai Shri Vedam.